Volume of pyramids. You've already seen a video where you walk through finding the volume of a square pyramid. You find, for any pyramid, you find the area of the base, multiply it times the height of the pyramid, and you divide by 3, because it takes 3 pyramids to fill a prism. So for this one, I put 16 because the base is a square. I'm going to do 4 times 4. That's going to give me 16 for the base. Then I have to multiply 16 times the height, and then I have to divide by 3. And it ended up being like 21.3 repeating. So we know how to do one with a square or a rectangle on the bottom. Length times width times the height, divide by 3. So we worked a little bit also on triangular pyramids, and I want to focus on this video on helping you with triangular pyramids. So again, any pyramid, to find the volume, it's base times height, the area of the base, the big B stands for the area of the base, times the height of the pyramid, and you divide all that by 3. So let's find the area of the base. Let's find this. So I'm going to highlight my base. This is the base, the bottom of the pyramid. And I have to figure out what shape is that. Well, what shape is that? It's a triangle. How do I find the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Because 2 triangles fit in a rectangle. So to find the area of a triangle is based on, and they give you 3 numbers. They give you a 6, they give you an 8, and they give you a 10. Well, which ones are you supposed to use? I always like to look for this corner where the right angle is. The corner where the right angle is going to tell me the base is 6 and the height is 8 for this pyramid. Sorry, for this triangle, that's the base. So if I do 6 times 8, I get 48, and I have to divide that by 2, gives me 24. So this base is 24. This big B stands for the area of the base. That's 24. I did the base of this triangle, just looking at this, looking at that corner. The base is 6 times the height 8, divide by 2, because that's how you find the area of a triangle. This is 24. So now I can put this in the formula. So volume of this pyramid is the base, big B, which is 24, times the height of the pyramid is 10, divided by 3. 24 times 10 you should be able to do in your head, because anything times 10 you're adding a 0. So the volume is 240 divided by 3. And you should be able to do this in your head, because think about how many times 3 goes into 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times, 3 goes into 240 80 times. So the volume is 80, what are the units? Miles cubed. Because we're talking about volume, we're talking about the cubic units that will fill it up. So when it has a triangular base, there is an extra step. You can't just do length times width times the height, divide by 3. When it's a square or a rectangle, that's easy. When it's a triangle, the formula for a triangle is different. You have to get the base and height of the triangle, divide by 2. That's how you get the area of this. Then you multiply this area times the height and divide by 3. Try some practice on your own.